All right, today I'm gonna build a hot tub base. This is roughly the area where I'm gonna be putting this hot tub. This is a very large hot tub. It's about 8.5 feet by 8 foot. So I got some 4x6s. And as you can see, I'm gonna make a frame. I'm gonna put that about right in the center here. And I'm gonna put some material down in the middle to pack it down so that it can have a hard, firm foundation. I already tried hammering some long nails in like a dunce, and that didn't work very well. So I'm gonna get these out or bend them over. I got some lag bolts I'm gonna use. All right, I got those placed roughly where I want them. Kind of leveled the rocks a little bit. Now I'm gonna screw it together with lag bolts. All right, I just finished. I am using 6-inch lag bolts. That is gonna go through this. This is a 4x6 treated lumber, 8 foot by 8 foot for the hot tub. And this lag bolt is going through my 4x6 and then a couple inches into the next one. So that's gonna be just enough strength to hold these two pieces together. I'm gonna do that in all 4 corners and then move on to my next step. Okay, just finished 2 corners of the 4, so halfway done putting lag bolts through all these sides. Here's that second corner. So these 2 are done, onto these 2. I used some of these blocks as a stop to keep the wood from sliding so I wouldn't have such a big gap created right here. Okay, just finished the 4th quarter and now have a wooden square. I'm going to get it positioned exactly where I want it, and then I'm going to work on leveling the rocks a little bit. All right, I like where that is right there. It might be hard to tell in the video, but when I'm looking at it, this backside is a little bit lower than the front side. So what I'm gonna do is move some rock over so that I can elevate the wood a little bit, and then I'm going to push the rock towards the edges to kind of plug up some of these gaps. Okay, that's much better. Now it's just shovel and barrow, shovel and barrow, shovel and barrow. All right, I'm on my 3rd wheelbarrow, probably about a third of the way done. All right, coming together nicely. Probably 30 minutes into wheelbarrowing. Okay, just filled it up. I put it in Zen garden mode and got it all flat. Now I'm gonna get it wet. It does look like there's some rain coming, so that's great. I'm gonna get it wet with the hose first though. Start tamping it down. Here comes the rain. Okay, I'm at a stopping point for today. I tamped it down and stomped on it the best I could. Next step is gonna be after it rains and gets really wet. Tomorrow we're gonna put a tamper, one of those machines that vibrate, and it like tampers it all down and makes a really professional quality. So we'll be doing that tomorrow after it gets all wet real good from this rainstorm. Okay, see you later.